What's going on, guys? You guys already know it's 360 Woods, and I'm back at it again with another video for you guys. What is it, like week 7 update? I think it's week 7 update. A lot of you guys already like checking up, like hey, like don't forget this time. Don't forget to update. Look, I didn't forget to update this time. I'm here to update you guys on what's going on with the Wiz. I'm making progress. I'm making progress every week now. I'm doing the same things over and over again. I have been putting a lot more homework in now that I actually have some waves. As you guys can see a little bit, I actually starting to get waves. So I'm gonna make a video on how much you should actually be combing when you get to this stage. But I mean, I'm just really excited to show you guys the progress. You feel me? I'm ready to show you guys progress. Boy, if you don't. Now, before I forget, before I actually forget, I want to tell you guys the products that I've been using. Okay, the products I've been using is PB the Goat merch. Actually, mainly the moisturizer. I've been mainly using that, and I washed my hair. Actually, this is 2 times this week. I washed my hair right before yesterday. I washed my hair yesterday when I made this video, which today's Monday. You guys will probably see this video Tuesday. And then I washed it. The first time I washed it was like Wednesday, because I was leaving and I didn't want to use like the other shampoos I was using in Mississippi. You guys would have saw that video, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, it'll be right here. That something happened. YouTube didn't upload it. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the file was too big. It was a dope video. I did a roast of my subscribers' ways. And I took some of you guys off, so I won't be able to rate you again for the people that I did do in that video. Upsetting. But, can't do nothing about it. The file just would not go. I tried it 3 or 4 times. It just would not go. But I made a dope video. I couldn't even explain it. It was just I put so much effects and different things like that and transitions that I guess the file was too big for YouTube to upload it. Sorry guys for the people that really wanted to see a roast of my subscribers' ways. I'll make another one. You guys go ahead, send me some more vids or pictures of your waves to my Instagram. Again, it'll be right here. But like I said, I'm gonna put you guys back here so then you guys can actually see the waves. So let's go. So like I said, this is what I've been using right here. The old good OG curling hamster smoothie. Yeah, this is what I've been using for after I washed it Wednesday. This is what I've been using. It actually has been helping pretty much with everything. I'm gonna apply some since I washed my hair yesterday. I don't have anything in my hair right now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply this with you guys. So we're just going to kind of like get into it. I've been putting in the brushwork with the 26 King Wavy Medium Soft. Again, it'll be down in the description if you guys want to go purchase it. This is what it's looking like right now, okay? As you guys can see, I'm kind of in there. I'm kind of getting my waves back. Trying to get out the ripple stage right now. Yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'm kind of interested to see what you guys think about the progress or no progress or whatever you guys have to say. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to apply some of this curling hamster smoothie in my head. Show you guys how I apply it if you guys didn't know, if you guys are new. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and then we're going to get into the light brush session like we always do with these update videos. And I'm probably going to call it a video. So, I guess let's go ahead and get into it. Got my brush. I'm gonna go sit down and get this brush session in real quick. So, yeah. just finished the session. As you guys can see what my hair's looking like now. This is the after. You know what I'm saying? You know, I feel like I'm looking pretty good right now. It's a little shiny. It's not bone dry like how it was. But you know, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any video ideas or anything like that that you guys want me to go ahead and make for you guys, don't forget to just go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. DM me. Again, my Instagram name will be right here. If you guys honestly just want to say, hey, I need a video on this, I'll make that video for you guys. A lot of you guys have been DMing me recommendations on what you guys want to see. I've been definitely putting it in my head and seeing how I'm going to make these videos for you guys. I got a lot of videos punching out. You guys have given me a lot of good ideas. Just keep giving me video ideas, and hey, I'll keep pushing out these videos for you guys. But hopefully I can get this video out to you guys Tuesday without, hopefully nothing goes wrong like how it has been. I'm really trying to push these videos out for you guys. Again, still getting used to the editing software. So I got really nothing else to say right now, guys. Only thing I really can say is don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? I mean, come on, it just makes sense. But go ahead and don't forget to drop a comment down below, because you guys already know I love reading you guys' comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're dropping fire videos just like this one. And I mean, stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah!